Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add link in Facebook history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and click on plus icon. Just tap on history option. Tap on text option. Okay, then back, choose YouTube, click on profile, then tap on channel name and click on three dot option and just tap on share. Click on copy link. Okay, back, Facebook history option and paste this link. Just done, and just tap on share to add link in Facebook history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.